What's up, people? Today I'm gonna do Shauna makeup. Yeah, it's gonna be my first time. I've been seeing her doing it, so I thought I'd give me a try to see what I can do. So if you guys like it, so and if you guys do with us, hit me up. I can hook you up also.
Please don't.
Yes, do.
No, he's mine. He's my makeup artist.
Alright. First we're gonna put this on our face. So it's like the foundation primer.
Yes, he lets me do this because his hands are too big.
One hand can just lotion over our face. Yeah, man, they're really big. Yeah. I thought it would be something big when they say foundation, but it's something small. So this is foundation. I'll use this. I'm blending it in the face. So I'm gonna do it like this. I'm gonna brush it light and not too heavy. You don't want like too much going on your face. That's enough now. Now we're gonna use the brush to smooth it now, like blend it in. It's like a painting. Make sure you get it everywhere blended, you know. You can have some place looking white and some looking pink. Yeah. I run a small creases, yeah, at the eye, and the nose and all that. Sure get her neck. You don't want her neck look black and her face look brown. Although she light skin. That blending good enough. I'm fearful and they can just turn it, look my certain era so they get it. Right?
Well, your hands are kind of used.
Alright, I think get every spot now. Now we're gonna use the eye brush just to catch down the eyelashes. Eyebrows, not the eyelash. Alright, first for the eyebrows, brush it up to get it in line. Same thing goes for the other one. And after you finish with that now, we're gonna get the color. And then they wipe it right over it, in line with the eyebrows. I think this kind of give the eyebrow a little bit darker color. That's good enough. So then again, you're gonna go ahead and brush over it again. Yeah, looking beautiful now. But now, we're gonna get the eyeshadow. Yeah, now we're gonna use these and try to get over our eyes, blend it in, get a nice color. Yeah. I think that looks good on our face. I think that's good enough. So now
This is his favorite thing, and I love the way he does it.
it's an eyeliner, which give it that black stripe right in the eye creases. I don't know why female love that.
Really good.
Maybe I think it made them look like some post like a cat. Sometimes I'm gonna take this. It's really easy. It's just like a flick of the wrist. Let me just wipe it one per flick. I think we get that flick. Looking nice, right? yeah. So that was it for that. So
Always just do that so it dries.
now we're gonna use this weird thing. I know they could have come up with something better than this. We know what is this, but just sponge a little feel and stuff. No what. We're gonna use this and rub it to his face like in the crease. Not all of us. Sorry. It's like a triangle shape from her nose go straight down to her cheek. No? Alright, not to her cheek.
From the corner of my eyes, go up, come down to the bottom of my nose. That's it.
Yeah, that's what I meant, yeah. From right here, go straight up, straight to her nose. make sure you get all in that area. You do the same thing for the other side. Now we're gonna take it from the forehead to the nose and to our chin. She's looking beautiful, right? And make sure she get a she have a good amount on her face. And now we're gonna use the brown and mix it up all over her face, but you don't want to use too much. So here we go. Why do you want that?
Because
right here, what? We over the what?
If you had listened,
What?
here, around here, and here.
Get to her chin now. Yeah, man, come on.
Because you're so funny when you do this. Okay, don't go on my neck.
Hey.
Because it's gonna make my neck
Stay
dark.
steady.
I'm sorry.
I'm the one doing it.
Okay, but don't make my neck dark.
Alright, I think that's enough.
Is it all?
You gotta make sure, check hands, make sure you get all the turn it. Turn it. Yeah, I think that's good enough. So, next we move on to, now we're gonna do our blush. Don't wanna get really like too much. Just get a small amount, give her that just pink color.
Yeah. He looked at me crazy just now, like, why are you cheesing at me?
I think that's enough now. She knows what she wants.
Yeah, I know. So I do my makeup different every time.
So now we're gonna use this and like plaster our face. Lightly, smoothly brush down.
Brush everywhere. Brush
Everywhere.
everything in.
I think she has a little slight contraction, right? That's our face still like that. Perfect. We're gonna use this on our eyelash to extend them. I think this use this to give it that dreamy eyes look. It's also like give her that dark look on it also. So like we're gonna use she call it the shimmery shiny.
It's highlighter.
It's the way we call it shimmery
I
shiny.
use a lot.
So now she says I'm supposed to use a lot on it. If it look too bad, that's her fault. Now I think this is the last thing. Now we're gonna get to our lips. This beautiful red lipstick. So when I put on this now, she's gonna look all beautiful. Watch this magic now.
Oh man.
Now there we go. Look at her face, huh? All looking good, right?
Babe, you don't have to be so rough.
What, everybody see you? Beautiful, right? I know she look beautiful without makeup, but she look more beautifuler. I don't know that's not the word, but Jamaicans tend to seem create their own slang and language sometimes. But yeah.
I look more beautifuler.
Yeah, she look. She even said they were beautifuler.
I was coming with you.
Yeah, hope you guys like it. Thanks for watching. And make sure y'all hit me up if you guys think she look beautiful and I did a great job. Just hit me up. I'll hook you up too. Yeah, thanks for watching. Me and Shauna. Right, thanks for watching. See you next time.
Like, share, subscribe. Peace.
Yeah, she said it.